My dad had more money, more cars, more houses, but Jose Maria had more dad. A seed of envy began to grow in me. In a child's heart, many seeds are planted. You never quite know what will grow. I'm sure he didn't see us.
Okay.
So, of
Can you still be an architect?
course, you ask.
Because we're poor now, aren't we?
Yet the sun still shines on us by day, and the moon by night.
You're crazy.
No, I'm not.
You're crazy. He hate the whole idea.
Well, let's ask him. Ask me? This. We're gonna put them up all over Madrid.
Look. Not me, Father. Not me.
A crusade. Yes, Father. Using the cross to incite hatred and anger, that's Christian. Well, maybe not. But, Father, the government is openly attacking the church.
No, it isn't. It's trying to modernize Spain.
Come on, Pedro. If we don't do something, we are just cowards. Or worse, traitors.
Traitors? Traitors.
Yes, Pedro, traitors. That's what people are saying. Standing by while the church gets attacked. How is that being a good Catholic? Pedro, is it understandable to want to protect the church?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father. One, is it understandable to want social justice? Yes, of course. Good. So, the question is, how do we achieve both?
By feeding the hungry. And lunch is ready. So sit down.
So we just let the matter drop? No. Look, I'm not going to tell you what to think. God gave each of you a brain and reason and a conscience. Why? So that you can come to conclusions on your own and take personal responsibility for them. But before rushing to act, before trying to change the world, first, think about changing yourselves. We're building something vital here together. Now, especially now, we have to be sowers of peace and joy. And lunch, Mama.
Father. They've started killing priests.
What?
It's in the newspaper. Where? Here in Madrid. Let me see.
So what do we do now, Father? Exactly what I just said. Listen. Bless us, O Lord. It is thy gifts which we are about to receive. We are bound to the Espíritu Santo. Thank you, Father.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. My last confession is promise them.
Papers.
Enjoying the zoo, are we?
Yes, it's very educational.
And where is the wife when you're being educated? Back home, doing the laundry?
My mother's idea. It's not the first time it's kept me safe.
Father, do you need shelter?
Yes. In the summer.
I only have a single room. There's always no room for me, but if...
You are beautiful. I am a priest, but also a man. So I thank you for your courage.